Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best convection ovens you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Cuisinart Airfryer Convection Toaster Oven. Cuisinart is another well-known name in kitchen appliances. This model is a strong second-place finisher that almost earned our top pick. If you prefer an oven with manual controls, then this might be the one for you. The control knobs are located on the front of the oven, right above the door, and are easy to see and adjust. The Cuisinart has 7 function settings. Therefore, you can select the exact combination of heating elements you need to perfectly prepare your food. It can toast, bake and broil without the convection fan running. In addition, you can use it to air fry, convection bake or convection broil. It is very flexible to use. The Cuisinart can toast 6 slices of bread at once. However, it is slightly narrower than the Breville. It measures 15.5 x 16 inches and stands 14 inches tall. It weighs 21 pounds, so moving it is easy. The biggest pizza you can bake in it is a 12-inch one. The oven light is controlled by a switch on the front. Therefore, you don't even have to open the door to check on your food. It also comes with a mesh basket for air frying nuggets and fries. You will want to wash the basket by hand, though. Otherwise, it will lose its finish and need to be replaced. The only reservation we have about this model are the control knobs. While many folks prefer to avoid appliances with digital displays, manual knobs have their own downsides. Over time, the printed numbers can wear away, thereby leaving you guessing at the time and temperature. Also, the knobs are made from plastic, so they're more likely to break. Lastly, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Pros: 7 flexible function settings. Manual controls mean no worries. 3-year limited warranty. Cons: plastic control. Number 2. Oster Toaster Oven Digital Convection Oven. You and your loved ones deserve the best oven on the market. So starting off on the list is the Oster Digital Toaster Oven. This best countertop convection oven has a slick design with a large capacity. It lets you roast, broil, and toast your meals. The digital control panel is easy to operate as the buttons are labeled. It has a 6-slice convection toaster capacity and makes for faster and more even cooking. This interior can accommodate a 12 inches pizza. While the convection technology has a wide temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This best countertop convection oven also comes with a durable baking pan and removable crumb tray, making it very easy to clean and maintain. This model measures 21.7 x 19.3 inches, stands 12.91 inches tall and weighs 26 pounds. So it should fit into most kitchens without any problems. It is the heaviest oven on our list, but it is still easy to pick up. This extra-large countertop convection oven has 2 baking racks. It can handle up to 18 slices of toast at once. If you remove one rack, it is big enough to handle a 5-pound chicken or roast. While this is rated as the most versatile countertop oven, it may not be the most durable. The design of the glass door could be a problem for some, as it lacks a bracket to prevent it from hitting the counter when open. Lastly, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Pros: digital controls. Slick design with legendary performance. Cons: higher. Number 3. Toshiba AC25 CEWBS Toaster Oven, 6-slice. This countertop oven from Toshiba might not be able to replace your full-size oven. But it's a huge step up from the standard toaster ovens most people are used to. There are 10 built-in cooking functions. Most of them are pretty standard, with things like toast, bake, broil, keep warm, etc. But a big selling point for some will be the rotisserie function. Toshiba includes a rotisserie kit that hooks into the sides of the oven and slowly rotates to make all of your spit roasting dreams come true. This oven doesn't have the same power as my other top picks. It gives you temperature control from 150 to 400 F. That's suitable for a lot of cooking tasks, but it's a little low if you plan on using the oven for baking bread or cooking pizza. This toaster oven is also a little lacking when it comes to the convection fan. The fan is located behind the right side wall, and air is circulated through small vent holes. This design will provide some circulation for more even heating, but won't do much when it comes to evaporation and caramelization. The control panel has a clean-looking digital display, 3 rotating knobs, and a stop-start button. Overall, it's very simple and easy to use. The dimensions of the oven are 19 x 15, 6 x 10, 79 inches. That's similar to my top pick, but with the controls located on the side instead of the bottom, you lose some of the internal cooking space. The exterior is finished in black, brushed stainless steel, and has a clear glass door. I do wish there was an internal light to make monitoring food easier, but for less than $100, it's still an impressive kitchen appliance. Pros: very inexpensive. Rotisserie function with kit included. Stainless steel exterior looks. Cons: no internal light. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 0264800850 Countertop Convection. Another one on the list of our best countertop convection ovens is the BLACK+DECKER. And it makes it super easy to cook with just a touch of a button, with its clever one-touch functionality, allowing you to cook a wide range of foods. The deep interior is able to fit a 12 inches pizza and 6 slices of bread. It also comes with a removable crumb tray which keeps the counter clean. It features a 2-hour timer and has a power of 1500 watts. If you are looking to try out a reasonably priced countertop oven, then this could be a good choice for your family. While it doesn't have a lot of extra features, it is much more than just a basic convection oven. Yes, you can make toast bagels, bake, broil and convection bake with ease. The digital LCD screen makes it easy to see your settings, and the control buttons are simple and intuitive. The BLACK+DECKER also has 4 adjustable presets. You don't see this feature often on budget ovens. With one touch, you can set it to make cookies, pizza, frozen snacks or potatoes. The temperature and time will automatically be selected for you. However, you can adjust them to your preferred settings. This model can handle 6 slices of bread or one 12-inch pizza at a time. The rack can be adjusted into 2 positions. This convection oven could be really useful for a user who moves frequently. In many ways, this model is a great choice for someone with financial constraints, like a college student or young adult on a tight budget. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Pros: digital design. 2-year limited warranty. One-touch cooking for all your needs. Cons: has a low. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven. The vast majority of the equipment we own is cheap yet versatile, and for most of our things, that's exactly how we like it. It takes a healthy amount of research, but eventually you will find that the lower-priced model gets the job done just fine. The trick is finding something that is simple, gets the job done, and has had ample time on the market to accumulate reliable reviews. The Hamilton Beach Countertop Convection Oven has done just that. Although it takes up more vertical space, the internal space it creates when opened is unparalleled in the industry. It's ridiculous how many positive reviews were posted about this door. Hats off to the engineers. I have no idea why this hasn't become the universal door for all countertop ovens. Just like every convection oven we've reviewed, there are always a handful of customers unhappy with how hot the machine gets. There are roughly 4 separate reviews of the glass shattering at some point during or after cooking. This is highly unlikely, but something I feel you should know. The 4 out of 400 reviews means 1% of the people who bought this product and chose to post a review of it experienced glass breaking. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.